Delandapalooza. This guy's got an amazing story. Come up and talk to him. J Addy 360.
We got fire spinning out front. This is awesome.
Too much in the monitor on the keyboard. If I could get less keyboard on the monitor.
Can we get less keyboard on the far right monitor? Probably monitor 1 or 2. I'm pretty hot too, but it's all right.
A little less bass in the middle monitors. Less bass in the middle monitors, please.
Yeah, I'm getting rocked out over here. Less keyboard. This monitor on the end.
Delandapalooza, how y'all doing out there tonight? That's right. We're so happy to see y'all out there having a good time. We are the Lightning Rods. We're quite an eclectic group of multiple musicians from probably 5 or 6 or maybe 7 different bands. We get together and have a lot of good times. It's all because this guy likes to pull us all together.
It was actually my dad who brought us together. He was a Ben Franklin motivational speaker, and he is the one that brought the Lightning Rods here tonight. And we are at our 3-year anniversary. Did you know that, guys? We're gonna clean up our monitor mix.
We just need to come down a hair in all of our monitors and we should be all right.
These are way too hot. These are way too hot.
Even if you just turn the gain down on the monitors, we'll be all right.
That sax is gonna blow my ear out.
Yeah,
That sax is gonna kill me.
Sax.
Sax is hotter than anything else.
That's
a sexy sax. Come on, man.
That's Jeff
sax is
Shepard over
hot.
there, everybody. You know the Beacon newspaper. Beacon's.
Come that down about 10 decibels on the saxophone on all monitors, please.
Oh, much better. Sounded beautiful, beautiful sax. How are you doing over there in the sand?
How's your keys?
Keyboards are beautiful.
Keys good? And I'm good? Yeah, I'm
So
solid.
good.
Anybody else need any monitor adjustments?
Ask Lori what she has.
We got no vocals on Joe Hilton as usual.
Yeah, and these are still really loud. They're really hot. They can be.
Yeah. All of the vocal could come down and all the monitor, just a hair. Testing 1, 2.
Thank you. Thank you. Good.
That's
good.
a little better.
That's
We're looking good
That's
there.
That's good.
All right, all right. And then Mr. Joe Hilton in the middle down here has to sing quite a few songs. So we got to make sure he's set.
He's our best singer, so we gotta make him sound good.
Man is recorded in Nashville and has beautiful music.
Yeah, I see.
Let's test Joe Hilton's vocal.
Joe is in 13A in this box over here on the stage.
So we just need channel 13 to come up on the vocal. Well, it helps if he plugs the cable into the device. You might want to turn that down a little bit.
He's plugging.
No, wait, turn down 13. Turn down 13. Let's make sure we got 13 muted and we'll plug it in. And that's it right there. Hold on just a minute. We gotta figure out what channel it is. 1 second. 13 was the vocal. Let's track this one down real quick and it'll be the last piece of our puzzle. We'll be good to go.
Sounds like fireworks, people.
Yep. And smell the fire. There we go. There we go. Smell the fire.
Music is always a puzzle piece.
We got a mess up here in sound.
Hey, why don't you guys gather around the front? Anybody want a free merchandise? We got free shirts for all you people. Come and hang out. Are you guys ready? We're going to do a t-shirt toss. We're going to get this sound situated. We'll be with you. But we're going to do a t-shirt toss. Tell me when you're ready. Are you ready?
Do you want a t-shirt?
2,
If you
3. Here comes a t-shirt. Got one. All right, we got one coming at you. You ready? Here comes another t-shirt. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Hey!
We're not liable if you get hurt by the t-shirt.
Hey!
Just saying. Warning from the.
Thank you, guys.
These are old shirts from past festivals.
The shirts are old shirts from past festivals, so enjoy.
We're gonna get one. Please, Mom. Please.
Yep. I'm good there too.
No.
I see no sunshine.
Put your hand out.
She's gone.
That's what I'm talking about, Deland. Let's do this.
Feet don't fail me. I gotta keep on moving on. Faith don't leave me. Too much to do before I'm gone. Come on. Please give me one. Please don't leave me standing up here feeling all alone. I'm not looking at my put together, we're united, we will stop the change. Because we won't be long, we'll be moving on and dancing once again. You know we gotta be strong, let the book to be done, and the fun just never ends. When I got the power, gonna take it a step, gonna make it count tonight. Feet don't fail me now. Feet don't fail me. I gotta get on down the line. I know something's waiting. I gotta be there, be on time. Please give me one more chance. I'm gonna lay this burden down. Lord, I can't find it put together, but you're not giving love a chance. You know we won't be long, we'll be moving on and dancing once again. You know we gotta be strong, nothing to be done, and the fun just never ends. And when I got away. Thank you.
That was awesome. Give it up for Mark Cheraboga.
We're going to feature Mr. Joe Hilton on this one. This one's called Running.
Can we get a little less sax in the monitors, please? A little less saxophone.
The violin player is requesting less sax. Running.
Get ready, folks, to bring Trina a Joe Hilton song for you.
Further away, the days get longer, the nights get colder. He's running away, running. They've been together a few years now. They seem to make a perfect pair. Bills are piled high, and love was the weakest spot. Beside him all, it's good to me. Days get longer, the nights get colder. She's running away. Says time to begin. That treatments go your way. We're in the second round. My slow things down. Searching for release from his pain. The days get longer, the nights get colder. He's running away.
keep on running, everybody.
That's a Joe Hilton song. Now we're going to special one.
Can I get a little bit more of this up here? I can't hear me up here. I can't hear.
I can hear you fine.
Well, that's
Good
fantastic.
over on this side.
Great. I can't hear me over here. Can you guys hear me? I feel like you can hear me.
Each and every day, I'm getting closer to heaven. The more and more I pray, like a raging wildfire, I keep on getting higher and higher and higher.
down. They've gotten really loud again. They're really killing us. They're killing us here. If you can
Mark's going deaf.
We're in the foot.
He wants to go home and not have ringing ears today.
Not just me.
All right. I think we all need a friend, don't we?
You can take me down just a hot minute. Yeah, take me down, 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 take me down. Take me down, 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 take me down. Take me down, 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 take me down now. Take me down, 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 take me down.
Down the other way.
Yeah, we need me down. Yeah, can we take me down? Yes, me down. I don't know. Let's go with it. I guess you know.
Well, I've been working on the farm, and I've been walking in the woods, talking to God about life and the world. Carrying my guitar like a cross on my shoulder tonight. Oh, who could blame me? Feels like the whole world's gone crazy. Everybody wants that easy. It's something that I'm not. Well, if I drink too much some night and I try to start a fight, stop saying silly things, and you have to take my keys and drive me home in the middle of the night. I don't really wanna fight. I don't care who's wrong or right, what tomorrow brings. Oh, who could blame me? Feels like the whole world's gone crazy. Everybody wants to change things, something that they want. Who could blame me? Feel like the whole world's gone crazy. Everybody wants to change me into something that I'm not. Well, if you're dead, you just might break me.
We all need a friend, everybody. Wow. You can see us after the show. You can be friends with us.
You here to home? Fuck yeah. You're still rock.
We're going to feature Mr. Hillner over here. That's Joe Hillner, by the way, with the cowboy hat. He's a rhinestone cowboy. He's going to do a song called Words.
Memories, another love letter, crushed and thrown away. I couldn't believe that it was over till she walked away. Now she's gone today, and all I have all these words didn't say. If I told her them, would she be here now? Or would she have gone away with all the words I didn't say? Always thought that she knew it. Never thought she'd say goodbye. Now the stillness of this apartment speaks the truth that just won't lie. 'Cause she's gone today, and all I have all these words I didn't say. If I told her there, would she be here now? Or would she have gone away with all the words I didn't say? walk away. These words I don't say. Every night I pray I'll get the day just to tell her all these words. All these words I didn't.
Tell him. Words.
But if I didn't know the truth now, I'd be talking to myself and cutting off all the branches and floating down the ocean well. And as I walk for miles in the middle of the night, and all the way there, I was thinking, to the right.